Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the buzz surrounding the upcoming 2026 BMW X7, a next-generation luxury SUV that promises to raise the bar for performance, design, and advanced tech. Building on the solid foundation of its predecessors, the 2026 X7 is expected to feature a refined powertrain that pushes the limits even further. While the current model impresses with a turbocharged inline-6 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, rumors hint that BMW may introduce an upgraded version, possibly even a mild plug-in hybrid varianto, deliver even sharper acceleration and enhanced fuel efficiency. Imagine a scenario where the 0 to 60 time drops to around 5.5 seconds, giving you that thrilling yet smooth driving experience. On the exterior, the 2026 X7 is predicted to sport a bolder, more aggressive design. Taking cues from the redesigned BMW 7 Series, you can expect a striking front fascia with sleek, dynamic LED lighting, signature kidney grills, and active grille shutters that adjust to optimize both aerodynamics and performance. The vehicle's sculpted lines and refined details are set to not only captivate onlookers, but also improve efficiency on the road. Step inside, and the cabin looks set to become a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. The interior is rumored to receive a significant upgrade, featuring an expanded, more intuitive iDrive system with a larger touchscreen and enhanced digital displays. Premium materials like fine leather, aluminum accents, and glossy wood trim will blend seamlessly with state-of-the-art tech, creating an environment that's both comfortable and cutting-edge. The spacious seating and ambient lighting ensure that every ride feels like a first-class experience. Looking ahead, experts predict that the 2026 BMW X7 will hit showrooms in the spring of 2026, with deliveries possibly starting mid-year. As for the price range, the base model is expected to start at around $90,000, while the high-performance variants and top-tier trims could push the price north of $160,000. This competitive pricing reinforces BMW's commitment to delivering premium quality and performance in the luxury SUV segment. In summary, the 2026 BMW X7 looks to be a game-changer vehicle that combines innovative engineering, luxurious comfort, and bold design. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you updates and insights on this exciting new release. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive news and reviews.